Okay, guys. Good morning, all of you. Hello, guys. Welcome to the Capstone Project 2. You have successfully completed a Capstone Project 1, all three parts. Now you are moving to the Capstone Project 2. It is all about the Agile. Okay, like in first Capstone project, you have worked on the waterfall, guys. Okay, coming to this Capstone 2 project is all about the Agile. Okay, you need to work on the Scrum foot. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the what questions that you need to be prepared. Okay, in this particular capstone project too, and how we need to write these questions. Okay, and how we need to prepare all these particular questions will be discussing in this particular session, guys. Okay, see, this is the Scrum project implementation, guys. Okay, this is the Scrum project implementation. Before going to start this case study, this case study, you need to follow these instructions, guys. Okay, you need to for just read these instructions before starting this project. Okay, before starting this case study, just follow these instructions, 9 instructions. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, if you have guys any doubts means, okay, we will discuss end of this session, guys. Okay, we will discuss in the end of the session. I will clear your doubts in the end of the session. Okay, guys, the first question in this capstone project 2, here we are having the first question is all about is write agile manifesto. Okay, write agile manifesto. You need to write the regarding the agile manifesto, guys. Okay, this is the theory question. This agile manifesto, in this agile manifesto we have 4 values and 12 principles. Okay, in this agile manifesto we are having the 12 principles, okay, and 4 values. You need to write all 4 values and 12 principles. You need to prepare for Viva as well, guys. Okay, you need to prepare Viva as well. Okay, those 4 values and 12 principles, we are having the workbook, guys. Okay, you can check over there and you can write. Okay, this is the theory question, guys. The first question is all about the theory question, the Agile manifesto. Okay, and in bottom you can able to see this Scrum project line. This is all about the Scrum case study, guys. Okay, this is all about the this capstone project 2 is all about the Scrum food. Okay, this is a Scrum food case study. It is a food delivery application. Okay, the what is the Scrum project description means, the Scrum food provides fast, reliable online delivery application. Okay, targeting customers of all age groups, offering 24/7, okay, 24/7 service, along with tracking of the delivery real time, guys. Okay, we can see it's just like a Zomato, Swiggy. Okay, these are all apps, these are all applications we have, right? Okay, like that only we are going to build this Scrum food application, guys. Okay, Scrum food application. This project is all about the Scrum food application. Okay, and this is the in down you can able to see this, you can able to see this on picture, right? Okay, on picture, this is the a Scrum framework, guys. Okay, this is all about the Scrum framework. Okay, here we can able to see how the Scrum framework, okay, how the Agile will work, guys. Okay, here the Agile will work, we can see the Agile will work. Here I will explain how the Agile, okay, how the Scrum framework will work means, I will explain. Okay, first here the client. Okay, here we will have the client, right? Here the client come with the requirements, guys. Okay, here the client come with the requirements, and we conduct this product grooming meeting, guys. Okay, and we are conducting the product grooming meeting. We are discussing about the requirements. Okay, here discussing in this meeting we are going to discussing about the requirements. Here we are going to groom, okay, groom the requirements. Okay, and we are going to discuss about the requirements. Okay, based on this, okay, based on this uh, based on these requirements, guys. Based on the requirements, we are going to grooming those requirements. Okay, we are going to discuss about the requirements. Okay, based on this, we are going to prepare these user stories. Okay, based on this, based on this, here we are having the product vision, right? Based on this product vision. Okay, what is product vision means? In this product vision, what is our goal? Okay, who are our targeted customers? Like all these points we are having in this product vision document, guys. Okay, based on this product grooming document, we are going to prepare this user story workshop, guys. Okay, user stories workshop. Okay, and what is this user stories means? In this user stories, we are going to is just based on the requirements, we are preparing these user stories. Okay, in these user stories, we are having the we need to write the acceptance criteria, we need to give the business values. Okay, we need to give the complexity points on the basis of the poker cards, guys. Okay, on the pokers of the on the basis of the poker cards, we are giving the complexity points. Okay, and this is the product backlog. Okay, this is the list of the user stories, guys. Okay, in this product backlog, okay, we are placing the all the user stories, like whatever the requirements we have gathered from the client. Okay, we can convert into the user stories, right? Those user stories we can keep it on this product backlog, guys. Okay, like we are in this product backlog, we are having like all user stories. Like, is there 100 user stories, or 500 user stories, or 1000 user stories? Like whatever the user stories we have, we can keep it as a we can keep it in the product backlog, guys. Okay, this is the product backlog. And this is the uh here we are having the see here we are having the sprint planning, right? This is the meeting, guys. Like before, here in this agile, in this scrum, we are having some meeting, guys, like a sprint planning meeting. Okay, and a daily stand-up meeting, and a sprint review meeting, and a sprint retrospective meeting, guys. Like before starting the sprint, we are conducting this sprint planning meeting, guys. Okay, we are conducting this sprint planning meeting. In this sprint planning meeting, we are discussing about the goal of the sprint. Okay, we are discussing about the goal of the sprint. Okay, all these things we will be going to discuss in this sprint planning meeting, guys. Okay, once we done with this sprint planning meeting, we can start the sprint, guys. Okay, the sprint size is the 2 weeks, guys, 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, the scrum day is the 1 day. Okay, this is the sprint backlog. Like what is the sprint backlog means? This is the a subset of the product backlog, guys. The sprint backlog is the subset of the product backlog. Here we are having the product backlog items. Okay, in this sprint backlog, what will we have means, like we are having the product backlog items, the task related to the user stories, and the work in progress. Okay, this is the done. Okay, once the sprint is the done, okay, the shippable product, okay, we can deliver the product into the piece of the products to the client, guys. Okay, we cannot deliver, okay, we cannot deliver all the product at a time, guys. Okay, instead of that, we can deliver the product to the client in a piece of the products. Okay, piece of the products. Okay, this is all about the scrum framework, guys. Okay, this is all about the scrum framework. And in see here, these are all the clients. Okay, these are all the stakeholders, regarding this case study. Okay, regarding this scrum food app delivery case study. Okay, these are all the clients, guys. Okay, the stakeholders, the business owner, the administrator. Okay, regional administrator, restaurant, delivery by customer. Okay, these all people are involved in this application, guys. Okay, these are all the stakeholders. Okay, and after that, we are having the product division document. Okay, in this product division document, we are having see, you can able to see the scrum project name. The scrum project name is the scrum foods. Okay, like you need to, this is the template, guys. Okay, this is the template of the product vision document. Okay, in this template, we need to mention the project name, the venue, start date start date. You need to mention the date and the start time and time duration. And these are all the who are involved in this project, who are the stakeholders involved in this project. Okay, and the who are involved in this stakeholders in this project means like these business owners, administrator, regional administrator, restaurant, delivery boy, customer. These are the stakeholders involved in this project. Okay, and this is the Scrum team, guys. Okay, this is the Scrum team. Okay, the Scrum developers, the Scrum master, product owner. Okay, this is a template of the product vision document. Okay, this is the template of the product vision document, and this is the like in this product vision document. Okay, we need to mention all these points, guys. Okay, this is the template of the product vision document, like vision, like what is your vision means like you are achieving goal for you creating the product. Okay, for achieving this goal, like who are your targeted customers? Okay, like who are your targeted customers, and what is your needs for this project? Okay, what is the product of this project? What is the value? Okay, what is the value you are going to create by this for the by the product? Okay, like this is the template, guys. Okay, this is the template, like you as of now you won't work on this product vision document. Okay, like once you completed this all capstone projects, then you are entering into the live projects, right? Then you are entering into the live projects at that time. Okay, you need to work on this product vision document. As of now, like you, for your reference purpose. Okay, for your reference purpose, we are providing over here, guys, regarding this product vision document. Okay, as of now you won't. Okay, you won't work on this product vision document. For your reference purpose, for once you get into the on sorry live projects, at that time you are having this product vision document. Okay, and this is the targeted customers, like what is the targeted group of this particular project. Here we having the like online food delivery industry is our target segment. The users are the users and customers, like people who want a deliveries within stipulated time at their required place. These are the targeted groups. Like what are the needs of this project means like the Scrum food provides guaranteed safe food deliver in one go of top rated licensed restaurants. Okay, and customers can receive with safe packed food with expected time to clear their hunger. Okay, these are the needs. Okay, this is how you need to prepare this product vision document, guys. Okay, this is how you need to prepare the product vision document. And after that we are having the like product vision description, guys. Okay, here we can having the like the customer, like who is the for the for this customer, we need to have these features, guys. Like for the customer you need to have the registration, login, search feature, and view. We can view restaurants menu, order food, payment, tracking, cancel order, feedback, rating, and logout. Okay, and for the delivery by these are all the features the client wants, guys. Okay, for the restaurants, for the regional admin, business owners, for business owners like login, issues, reports, update, payments for restaurants and delivery by. Like these are all the features the stakeholders will want. Okay, and this is the end of the product vision. And here we are having the like user story workshop. Okay, user story workshop. Okay, this is the second question of this case study, guys. Okay, the first question is all about the like you need to write the agile manifesto. That is the theory question. Okay, you need to write the 4 values and 12 principles, guys. And the second question is all about the like user story workshop. Like what is this? How to write this user story means like take take a sticky note and take a contract color sketch pen and write the user story in the capital letters only. Like make sure the user is short. User story is short, clear, and one Scrum developer can develop in one grid sprint. Okay, if you come across complex big user stories, okay, these are called as epics. Like we can divide the epics into the themes and then into the user stories. Okay, finalize the user stories count. Okay, like what is this user stories means I have already told you, no, like based on whatever the like the client comes with the requirements. Okay, at that time we can conduct this product grooming meeting. In this product grooming meeting we are going to groom the requirements, and we are discussing about the requirements. Okay, like based on these requirements we can prepare these user stories. Okay, we will conduct this user story workshop. Okay, we will prepare these user stories on the based on this product vision document. Okay, product vision document. This is the okay. This is the structure case. Okay, this is how you need to prepare the user stories. Okay, for example, as a delivery boy. Okay, here the user is the delivery boy. Okay, we cannot mention as the user. That's why we are mentioning as the delivery boy. Okay, like as a delivery boy, I want to register in the Scrum foods. Okay, so that I can deliver orders. Okay, this is the format. In this format only, you need to prepare this user stories. Okay, you need to prepare this user stories. Okay, guys. Okay, and the first you need to give the task, okay, task number and priority, okay, priority, and you need to give the these business values, guys. Okay, this business value, like what is this business value means, like it is given by the business owners, guys. Okay, the business value will be given by the business owners. How much it is important to the business? Okay, how much it is important to the business? Okay, that is nothing but the business value. And coming to this CP means complexity points. Like complexity points will be given by the developers team, guys. Okay, development team. Like how much complex to develop a particular user story. Okay, how much complex to develop a particular user story. Okay, on that basis, we are giving these complexity points. Okay, this is the acceptance criteria. Like what is this acceptance criteria means? Okay, registration screen. Okay, and text boxes for the username, password, nation ID, mobile number, email address. Okay, phone number. Like the acceptance criteria is a condition, guys. Okay, acceptance criteria is a condition. What the condition should be met the based on the end user perspective, guys. Okay, based on the end user's perspective, we are giving it should be met. Okay, this acceptance criteria should be met. Okay, and the second user story is a as a restaurant owner, like I want to view orders. Okay, so that I can list the list of orders. Okay, so that I can view the list of the orders. Okay, for this user story, the acceptance criteria is the view order, display list of the orders in the tabular form. Okay, list of the users as a tabular form. Okay, this is how you need to prepare this user stories, guys. Okay, this is how you need to prepare this user stories. Okay, this is the format. In this format only, you need to prepare this user stories. Okay, like we have provided 10 user stories. Okay, based on like this, you need to prepare 40 user stories, guys. Okay, you need to prepare the 40 user stories like this. Okay, like this. Okay, related to this Scrum foods. Okay, related to this Scrum food. Okay, guys. Okay, like here we are having the what is BV means, like the business value. Like this is not the cost of the development, okay, or the complexity of the feature. Like the business value is how important feature, okay, how important is this feature user story to the business. Okay, this is estimated by the Scrum notes, guys. Okay, the business value will be estimated by the Scrum note, Scrum currency notes, guys. Okay, we will provide this Scrum currency on the basis of this 100, 500, 100, okay, 50, 20, 10 denominations, guys. Okay, we will estimated this BV value on the basis of the Scrum currency, guys. Okay, and these estimations are done by the stakeholders, the business owners. Okay, the business owners. It if different values are selected by the stakeholders, then discussions will happen and they are agreed to one BV value to that particular user story. And complexity points, like complexity points is also known as the story points, guys. Okay, the complexity points is also known as the story points. Like the complexity point is effort, okay, required by the Scrum developer, guys. Okay, Scrum developer to develop this feature, okay, like using technologies. Okay, efforts include time taken to solve the complexity and the write the code. Okay, and write the code. The CP is estimated by the Scrum developers, guys. Okay, the CP, the complexity point will be estimated by the developers by using the poker cards. Okay, by using the poker cards, we are providing these poker cards with some values, guys. Okay, those values are the like 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 20, 40. Okay, okay, this is how we need to give this complexity points. Okay, based on that complexity, okay, complexity of that particular user story, the development team will give this complexity points. Why? Because like the development team will, like they are going to develop that particular feature. So that's why they are giving this complexity points. Okay. Okay, thinking in this way, the Scrum developers will give the CP to the user stories, complexity points to the user stories. If the different values are selected by the Scrum developers, okay, then discussions will happen, guys. Okay, some discussions will happen, and they will agree to one CP value to that particular user story. Like development team means like in that development team, like they will have the like 7 to 8 people, right? 7 to 8 people are the developers, and two to three people there is a tester. Like they will give you the different complexity points, right? Okay. At that time, like they will have a discussion and they will agree to one complexity value to that particular user story. Okay, and this second question is all about the user stories, guys. Okay, you need to write the minimum 40 user stories and their acceptance criteria along with their business value and complexity points, guys. Okay, complexity points. And the third question is all about the epic, guys. Like what is epic means? Like epic is nothing but the collection of the user stories. Okay, collection of the user stories. Like we can say chunk of the user stories. Like we are having the like chunk of the user stories. You need in this epic case, like you need to explain about this epic, like what is epic, and you need to write two epics, case. You need to write the two epics. This is the third question. And what is the fourth question is here, like what is the difference between the business value and complexity points? Okay, we are already discussed regarding this what is BV and CP. Okay, you need to write the differences between this BV and CP. Okay, this is the 2 mark question. Now, like you need to mention like five points, like on the differences between this BV and CP. Okay, and after that, okay, like after that, like we are having the fifth question. The fifth question is the like explain about the sprint. Okay, you need to explain about the sprint, guys. Okay, this is the like theory question. You need to explain about the sprint. Like what is the sprint? Okay, what is this sprint means? Like it is the duration. Okay, it is the duration. Hello guys, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, now audible.
Okay, okay. Sorry, guys. Like due to some technical issue. Okay, okay, guys. Like we are discussing about the sprint, right? Like what is this sprint means? Like it is a period of the time, guys. Okay, it is the period of the time to complete the user stories. Okay, decided by the product owner and the team. Okay, usually like the sprint size is the like 2 to 4 weeks, guys. Okay, 2 to 4 weeks of the time. Like here we are having the sprint understanding. Like what is the sprint duration? Like two weeks. Okay, here we are giving the sprint value. Sprint value means the complexity points value. Okay, and we are having the scrum. Scrum is a subunit of the sprint. Okay, like what is the scrum duration means? Like the scrum duration is the like 1 day. Like in daily we are going to conduct the daily stand-up meeting, right? That value we are going giving over here. Like PBA means like product backlog item, and the task unit of work done, one developer in one scrum. Okay, and WIP means like work in progress. sprint backlog. Like this is the sprint backlog template, guys. Like PBI means like a product backlog item, the task, the unit of the work done by the developer, and in a one scrum in the particular day. Okay, they can mention over here. Like WIP means like work in progress. Okay, this is the status. Okay, is the done status. Okay, you need to write about the like in detail about the sprint, guys. Okay, in detail about the sprint. And question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is all about the product backlog and the sprint backlog. You need to explain about the product backlog and sprint backlog, guys. Okay, like what is this sprint product backlog and sprint backlog means? Like the in this product backlog we are having the all the user stories, guys. Okay, all the user stories, like whatever the user stories we have, like 100, 500, like in real time scenarios, like in real time projects, like we are having like more than 500. Okay, we need to write the more than 500 and 1000 user stories will be there, guys. Okay, that those all the user stories will be keep on it as a in this product backlog. Okay, in this product backlog. And coming to this sprint backlog, it is the subset of the this product backlog, guys. Okay, this is the subset of this product backlog. Okay, you need to explain this sprint product backlog and sprint backlog. Okay, and here we are having the like sprint planning meeting. Okay, like guys, like in this scrum, okay, in this scrum frame, in this scrum project, we are going to conduct meeting, guys. First we are going to conduct the sprint planning meeting. Okay, in this sprint planning meeting all the scrum 8 developers will gather, guys. Okay, will gather before sprint start. Okay, before the sprint start. Okay, and understand how many user stories. Okay, and they will understand the how many user stories are there. Okay, they can develop the they can develop in one sprint, like the sprint duration is the 2 weeks, right? Like and move them from the product backlog to the sprint backlog. Okay, once we discussed regarding these regarding these user stories. Okay, regarding these user stories. Okay, like the sprint planning meeting is nothing but the like meeting conducts with the team to define the what can be delivered in the sprint. Okay, in this particular sprint, here they will discuss. Okay, they will define the goal of the sprint. Okay, goal and vision of the sprint, goal and vision and mission of the sprint. Okay, once they decided how many user stories we can uh, providing this particular sprint backlog means, like they will decide and they will move them from the product backlog to the sprint backlog, and they take inputs from the sprint retrospective meeting. Okay, like this is the scrum meeting. Okay, the scrum meeting, once we done with this sprint planning meeting, like we are going to start the sprint, right? Okay, in that sprint, like we are having the daily stand-up meeting, guys. Okay, here we are having the daily stand-up meeting. In this daily stand-up meeting, like every like end of the every we are going to discuss like what task did you work in the scrum. Okay, what task did you work in the scrum, like what task will you work on the next scrum. Okay, and any challenges, impediments. Okay, when will you complete the user story. Okay, this is the this kind of discussion will happen in this daily stand-up meeting. Okay, this daily stand-up meeting. Okay, and after that, like we are having the sprint review meeting. Okay, sprint review meeting and sprint retrospective meeting. Like we are having the meetings. Like first we are conducting the sprint planning meeting before starting the sprint. First we are having the sprint planning meeting, daily stand-up meeting, sprint review meeting, and sprint retrospective meeting. Okay, these are the meetings we have. Okay, and and seventh question is the like what is impediment? Impediment law and write impediments. Like impediment is nothing but the okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, impediments are nothing but the like it's just the obstacles, guys. Okay, obstacles, like it is just stopping your project. Like while you are working on your project, like there is some impediments. Like impediments is nothing but the obstacles. Okay, hurdles. Okay, like is they like anything like the technical obstacles. Okay, anything is Okay, we can consider as an impediment. Like you need to write explain about this what is impediment, and you need to write the two impediments over here regarding this question. Like here we are having the like one sprint is completed from the done state of the sprint backlog. We will product increment. Okay, we will product increment and we can deliver it into the client. Okay, thus in this sprint retrospective meeting, only the developers will participate. Only the developers will participate, and they will discuss about the challenges faced. Okay, and they will discuss about the challenges faced and come with lessons learned, guys. Okay, in that particular sprint, what are the lessons we have, what are the challenges we have faced. Okay, on the challenges we come up with the lessons learned. Okay, we can use these lessons learned in the sprint planning meeting to select the user stories for the next sprint, guys. Okay, this is the like a sprint retrospective meeting. Like coming to this sprint review meeting, in this sprint review meeting, like all the stakeholders like the Scrum developers, product owner, Scrum master, the client, okay, the third party reviewers will participate in this sprint review meeting, and they will discuss is like a velocity, like how many complexity point is covered in the sprint. Okay, okay, and they will discuss about the, okay, and they will discuss about the like all the users or like all the user stories are completed or not. Okay, they will check all the test cases, all the tasks. Okay, we are what he planned during the sprint, okay, is completed or not. Okay, is there any open bugs. Okay, all the bugs are closed or not, all the test cases are executed or not. Okay, all these things will review once, and we will and we will also provide demo to the product owner. Okay, in this a review meeting, the stakeholders, the development team will give the demo to the product owner. Like the product owner, okay, will watch this demo, and if the demo is accepted by the product owner, then only we will deliver the piece of product to the customer, guys. Okay, this is all about the sprint review meeting. Okay, and these are the like charts, guys. Like this is the sprint per noun chart, and this is the product per noun chart. Okay, this is the product per noun chart. So see, this is the like a template of the sprint planning meeting. Like this is the template. The participant, you need to mention the participant name, like discussion points, like discussed on the sprint velocity and the PV business value with the user stories, like discussed with the associations on resources provided to them, and also communicate to the team on the sprint duration as well as the expectations from the client. Okay, this is the like a template. And yeah, and after that we are having the like explain the velocity of the team, guys. Okay, this is the important question, guys. Okay, and this is the one of the important question, like velocity of the team. Like what is the velocity of the team means. Like here we need to calculate the velocity of the team. Like how we are going to calculate this velocity of the team means, like total number of completed complexity points divided by the number of sprint. Okay, total number of completed complexity points divided by the number of sprinter. That is how we need to calculate this velocity of the team. You need to explain this question, guys. Okay, you need to explain this question, velocity of the team. Like another question is the ninth question, guys. Ninth question is the like you need to draw the sprint burn on chart and product burn on chart, guys. Okay, you need to draw the sprint burn on chart and product burn on chart. Okay, how to draw this print burn on chart and product burn on chart means, like, by using the Jira tool. Okay, by using the Jira tool, you need to you need to draw this sprint burn on chart and product burn on chart, guys. Okay, make sure, guys, like in that like Jira tool only, like you need to use the Jira tool. Okay, you need to make these diagrams. Okay, you need to make these diagrams, and the thing is here, guys, like in the Jira tool, like we are using the Jira tool as a free source tool, right? That's why we don't have this product burn on chart. Okay, we are having this sprint burn on chart. we don't have this product burn-down chart. Instead of this product burn-down chart, you need to draw the burn-up chart is there, guys. Okay, burn-up chart is there. You need to mention instead of this product burn-down chart over there. Like you need to prepare these charts, okay, by using the Jira tool. Okay, in that Jira tool, like you need to prepare this. You need to create the product backlog. You need to like user stories, like okay, you need to prepare the user stories. These user stories, like you need to mention in that Jira tool. Okay, in that Jira tool, like based on that, you need to prepare this sprint backlog and product backlog, guys. Okay, sorry, sprint burnout chart and product burnout chart. Okay, by using the Jira tool only, you can make the diagrams. Like what is this sprint burn-on chart and what is this product burn-on chart means? Okay, like the sprint burn-on chart, okay, it shows the how much work has completed and how much work has remaining in that particular sprint. Okay, that is nothing but the sprint burn-on chart. And coming to this product burn-on chart, like what is this product burn-on chart means? Like it shows still how much work, okay, still how much work pending in the particular backlog. Okay, in that particular backlog, product backlog. Okay, this is the like a sprint burn-on chart and product burn-on chart. And coming to this 10th question, like you need to explain about the product grooming meeting. Okay, you need to explain about the product grooming meeting. And after that, we are having the 11th question. Okay, 11th question is all about the here you need to explain the roles of the scrum master and the product owner. Okay, you need to explain the roles of the scrum master and product owner. Like who is the scrum master means, like the scrum master, the main role of the scrum master is like facilitating and driving the agile process, guys. Okay, the scrum master is the person, like he is the facilitating and driving the agile process. Like he is the aware of the entire agile. Okay, he is aware of the entire agile. You know the each and everything. Okay, each and every activity in the agile process, guys. Okay, he know how to drive the process, and he makes sure like rest of the people, okay, rest of the people like developers, testers, everybody, like who is there in the project team. Okay, he makes sure, like he makes sure the people will follow the proper agile process or not. Okay, and he facilitated. Okay, those are the like that is the like roles of the scrum master. Like, and coming to this product owner, like he is the guy, like he defines the features of the product. Okay, like he is the only actual person, okay, who will write the features of the application. Okay, and he is the guy always contacted with the client, guys. Okay, and he get the requirements and inputs. Okay, and he will prioritize the features according to the market value. Okay, and he adjusts the features and priority every iterations as we needed. Okay, these are the like roles of this product owner and scrum master. You need to explain the roles of the scrum master and product owner. This is the theory question. Okay, and the 12th question is the all you need to explain all the meetings scrum conducted in the scrum project. As I mentioned earlier, we are having the like sprint planning meeting, daily stand-up meeting, and a sprint review meeting, and a sprint retrospective meeting. All these meetings you need to prepare in this sprint planning meeting. Okay, and the next question is the explain. Okay, explain about the sprint size and scrum size. Okay, you need to explain about the sprint size and scrum size. Like the sprint size is like 2 to 4 weeks, so the scrum size is the like 7 to 9 people is there. Okay, and this is also like one more question. Like, we are having this DOR and DOD. Okay, this is also like one of the important question, guys. Okay, this is also the one of the important question. Like what is this, like what is DOR and DOD means? Like DOR means like definition of ready. Okay, definition of ready. Like definition of ready means like we are going to use this definition of ready to ensure that all the user stories are ready to start. Okay, are ready to start the development to start the sprint. Okay, to to start the sprint. Like in this, we are going to check like the acceptance criteria, BV and CP value. We should give, guys. Okay, we should give before starting the sprint. Okay, this is the like DWAR. Like this is the checklist. We can prepare this checklist before starting the sprint. And coming to this DOD. DOD is the definition of done. Okay, definition of done means like this is also the checklist. We are going to ensure that all the user stories are completed successfully. Okay, completed successfully. Like once while we are conducting this sprint review meeting, we are going with this DOD checklist, guys. Okay, we are going with this DOD checklist. Okay, you need to explain about this DOR and DOD. And one more question is like let's explain the prioritization techniques. Okay, MVP. Okay, we do have the like some prioritization techniques and MVP. You need to explain these priorities. Okay, explain these techniques. Okay, you need to explain regarding this technique. Like what is this MVP means? Like this is a technique we use it to release. Okay, we use it to release necessary features to the end user based on the market trends. Okay, based on the market trends. Okay, this is the we can use this technique, guys. Okay, and the 16th question is all about the difference between the business analyst and the product owner. Okay, business analyst and the product owner. You need to write the differences between the business analyst and product owner. Like the business analyst, the product owner is the who takes the responsibility of the product. Okay, is the product owner. Like the coming to this business analyst, like who assist the product owner regarding the writing the user stories. Like he is the like business analyst. You need to write the differences between this product owner and business analyst. Okay, and the final question, like in this case study, we are final question, like that is the like you need to prepare the sample resume of the 3 years experience product owner. Okay, you need to prepare the sample resume of the 3 years experience product owner. Like you just refer the like Google. Okay, you just prepare the like what are roles of the what are the roles and responsibilities of the product owner. You need to mention that resume. Okay, why we are giving this resume over here means like once you're done with these live projects and all, then you are moving to the like resume stages, right? Okay, like if you are preparing now means like you will have the idea like how to prepare this resume, like what are the roles of this product owner and all, like you will have the idea. That's why we have provided this question, guys. Okay, you just prepared the sample resume, take the reference of the Google. Okay. Okay, this is all about the Scrum case study, guys. Okay, this is all about the Scrum case study. You need to answer all these questions. Okay, you need to answer all these questions. You need to give the Viva regarding this all these questions, guys. Okay.